Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Mask USDT trading pair with my customer said. Just a quick updates of main bull run plan for this token. Let's dive in. Guys, basically all targets absolutely still relevant, nothing changed. And so this is one of not so many tokens with fully unlocked tokens. That's why it's still low cap. And I explained to you in Zone 23 why this type of tokens easy to pump and easy to dump, because fully supply into the market. So no VEX in shadow, no unlocks, nothing. So all tokens into the market, and who got more allocation, who got more, who accumulated more, he can control the markets up and down. So guys, 260 million market capitalization at this current moment, $2.50, 100 million tokens in circulation supply. So highly recommend you watch the first main bull run plan video for this token, what I posted in Zone 23. Yes, at that time we tested zero level. FIB absolutely still the same. On SGX you can find out the same FIB, but kind of different perspective, right? With the listing price. So we can use even this one. So next targets, guys, definitely will be the test of the monthly gap. Here, this gap, will be the full fill of monthly gap, and it's more than real to see this target because it's not some magic, right? To hit $10, for example, $10. It will be a billion market capitalization. So, and I'm not a fan of this type of stories. So the mask will hit the new all-time high and all of this stuff. No, price target's more conservative. Let's talk about current situation. It's a test of yearly open, guys. It's the first trouble area here. It will be the $3. $3. Let's hide the trade on indicator here. We grab liquidity, what we leave it here in October 2022. By the way, we trade inside 27 block. It's all blocks, all the zones, absolutely, guys, absolutely still in the same places, right? So $2.14, 10 cents. You could accumulate here, you can accumulate here, so nothing changed, guys. And basically, the reward will be open to test the yearly open to $3.05. Will we reject or not? We can't know the future, but it will be the first trouble area. And it will be not a mistake to fix the profit at this block, because you could be in profit 177%, right? And at least withdraw initial deposit. So guys, it's more than okay. Next trouble area will be the monthly favorable gap. This one, 855, and more conservative price targets. Personally, for me, it's 1756. When and if we reach the 1756, then we can talk about the potential new high, because new all-time high, you know, it looks like this week, $64. But let's talk about 28. But and of course, firstly, 1, 2, 3, 3 zones, and after that, base it on the timing, base it on political in the United States, based on the BTC dominance, on the BTC, we'll talk, are we go higher and how high, you know, the potential can be, or it's going to be the final stage for this token. Yes, guys, this, what about the mask? Imagine, by the way, the February 21, 2,900% gains, pumps. In this case, it can be 1,800. And yes, it can be the end of cycle for this token, guys. So build the realistic targets. Not all tokens will hit the new all-time high. All zones showed you to buy now or not. It's only up to you. Like usual, guys, zones for accumulation for investment was here. Showed you before 2 years ago in Zone 23. So now it's an update. Now we can track if this stock can go higher, we can track where more than okay to fix a profit. All right, guys, let's check with my customer Kasad. What's going on now? Accumulation was here in August 23 at $2.48. Here's another accumulation at $1.11 for the huge divergence, and now we pump. I don't like the pump like this one because in here we oversaturated now. Yes, overpump it. It's kind of bad on the weekly. On the monthly, yes, a lot of room for growth. Yes, that's why if we zoom out, we can form divergence on the weekly, like, like this one. 3 waves down and 3 waves up, for example, to this target. More than real, guys. Summer, I'm waiting green. I can be wrong, but summer, I can wait the green for all alts. Here is accumulation, long-term period since middle of February. The whales accumulate this token. Good one. Good one. Trade on, by the way, on weekly. Imagine on a weekly, we got a signal to sell, take profit, sweep liquidity, 2 signals in a row to buy. Not in a row after the week. And the good point, guys, you could track everything by yourself with this custom indicator set. So it's a good one. Daily, of course, I guess there will be the signals to sell. Here. Crash, buy. Take profit, sell. The reward is open to the yearly open, guys. $3.02, $3.03. Will we see the drop and correction again? We can't know. Now at least we trade with this local zones. Market mood, guys, money power. Daily, of course, overhype it. This is a money outflow from this token now. Weekly, here, money outflow, drop, capitulation zone, MACD bullish divergence pumps. Now it's a hope and optimism on the market. Yellow one. Soon we will see the euphoria, I guess, if this token will still exist on centralized exchanges. And this will be the time when retails will hop into this token. Take profit, guys. Next bullish target is here. We traded under fundamental value. It's good time to buy. Yearly open, take profit 382, exit line 434. So that's it. Daily, we passed the exit line. 12-hour time frame also. So it was a time to buy. Personally, for me, it's not a right time to hop in if we talk about trades, right? If we talk about investments and if you believe in $17 for this token, you can accumulate. We're not so far from the accumulation block. Accumulation block lowest point was 214, now 269. But guys, it's up to you. Everything should be in time. Guys, all targets updated. Highly recommend you just in educational purpose. Just go and double check the first main bull and plan video for the mask, what I posted in Zone 23. Will be interesting. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about this token. If you'd like to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.